Hello and thank you for joining this instructional video. In today's session, we'll explore how to effectively utilize the PureData Attendance plugin with your PowerSchool SIS. This powerful tool is designed for schools looking to efficiently manage and monitor student attendance in non-traditional settings, such as the gym, nurse's office, and after-school programs. Fully integrated into PowerSchool, the plugin operates seamlessly in real time without the need for any external software, making it an essential component for ensuring accurate attendance tracking in locations and programs. Let's dive into how to check in students using this innovative plugin. Start by logging into the PowerSchool admin panel and proceed to the Applications menu, where you'll find the PureData Attendance plugin. This plugin isn't just for managing location-based attendance. It also offers capabilities for managing tardies, whether they occur at the start of the school day or during classes, as well as processing early dismissals. Each option updates PowerSchool attendance, meeting, and daily attendance records in real time and can even automate assigning consequences based on the number of tardies a student accrues. For this tutorial, however, our main focus will be on the location-based check-in feature, which is particularly useful for recording attendance outside of the standard classroom environment. Click on Location/After-School Check-In, and you will be directed to the Sign In tab by default. Select your desired location from the drop-down menu, which you can configure in the Setup page. Once selected, you're ready to check in students. You can search for a student by name, or for faster processing, use a barcode scanner to scan them in. The scanning window will then display a list of all students currently signed in at the location, along with details such as date, time, and the staff member who processed their entry. When it's time to sign students out, switch to the Sign Out tab. You can use quick action buttons for signing out or editing, or simply enter the student's name manually, or scan their ID to log them out. If you need to view detailed reports, go to the Location Report section. This report shows all students currently signed in, the total number of students signed out, and those still signed in. Utilize the filters to modify the report based on the date, specific location, or other criteria. This report is customizable, allowing you to include additional data such as total minutes spent at the location or activity over a specific date range. As you can see, using the PureData Attendance plugin within PowerSchool is straightforward and does not require extensive training. It ensures that all data remains secure within PowerSchool, enhancing both efficiency and security. For more information, please visit our website or contact us at support@puredata.io. We are here to assist you in making your school management processes as smooth as possible. Thank you for watching.